So I just received this parcel, which is a gift from Level 8, which is a luxury luggage brand out of New York City. All right, let's unbox this and see what we got. It does come wrapped in this protective case just to make sure it doesn't get scuffed up in transport. So let's get this out of here. So this particular model is the Grace EXT. All right, let's get that out of the way. And as you can see at first glance, this is a pretty slick bag. Wow. I love these protective corners. The entire surface just looks pretty slick. It's really nice. So let's take a closer look at all the features and you guys can decide for yourselves, is this bag worth purchasing? Let's take a look at it. As I took a closer look at the Grace carry-on, it was easy to recognize the value that this travel bag provides compared to other brands. The textured hardshell exterior is made of high-quality material and looks sleek and impressive. Its scratch and water resistant and reinforced metal corners help the bag withstand accidental bumps against the front-facing laptop compartment. This gave me a lot of confidence that this bag will protect my delicate gear without worrying about how the bag might hold up under rugged conditions, like my overland trips across West Africa. The bag also has a water-resistant gasket along its main seam, so you can roll it through the rain without worrying about seepage, which I thought was a nice design feature. Though, it's important to note that the zipper seam is the only part of the bag not protected by the hardshell, so keep that in mind when packing. Another benefit of this bag is just how easy it is to maneuver in any space. The bag moves like butter, effortlessly gliding on its 360-degree low-noise rollers that are actually near silent. I was instantly impressed with just how smooth this bag is to pull or push in any direction. The wheels are a great size as well, making them perfect to cover a variety of surfaces, from the smooth walkways in an international airport to the cobblestone streets of Europe. The dual carrying handles on the top and on the side are made of a flexible, easy-to-grip material which felt great on my hands, which didn't feel sore or uncomfortable after carrying it for an extended period. Their flexible bounce offered a bit of shock absorption as they moved with my hand instead of restraining it. The bag also features a sturdy telescopic handle with a variety of locking heights. I'm 6'2" and found that the fully extended handle was more than comfortable for me to pull without any slouching. But there's plenty of other options to satisfy your particular height, including the lowest setting, which would be perfect for kids. The only downside to the handle is that the release button is recessed a bit, and it does feel a bit awkward to find if you're not paying attention, but of course this is a minor issue. The TSA lock with customizable combination is definitely a nice perk, as I don't have to worry about my lock or my bag being destroyed by security personnel in the United States. The metal clips fit snugly into place, almost like an electrical outlet, completely locking the bag. The instructions for customizing the lock combination were very simple and straightforward, and it's just a simple click to unlock the bag in a hurry. The bag features a wide front laptop and accessories compartment, featuring a curved zipper for full access, allowing you to completely open the compartment with ease. Velcro fasteners keep the cover in place when you're not looking to fully open the front cover, which is perfect for accessing your laptop without worrying about other belongings falling out while in transit. The 15-inch laptop sleeve is well padded and protective and has a Velcro fastener to keep your computer in place during transport. The smaller front pouch is the perfect place to store your tablet, which is also a nice perk of the bag. The front compartment also features both large and small padded pockets inside the front cover, along with two wide zippered pouches for extra storage. I also liked how this compartment has a strong rubber frame that acts as a shock absorber, protecting your devices on all sides from any accidental damage. The more I looked at this bag, the more I realized just how much thought and intentional design has gone into its production, and I can definitely understand why it's so popular. The main compartment features a full-sized, shallow, zipped compartment on one side and a deeper compartment on the other side, which is expandable if you order the EXT model, which is the one I'm reviewing in this video. There's also an integrated toiletry bag with snaps to keep it in place, along with fully adjustable luggage straps underneath to secure your belongings.
However, note that the hardware for the telescopic handle is in this compartment, which does cut into the amount of space available in this section, but of course that's unavoidable. It also comes with a handy pack of alphabet stickers if you're wanting to personalize the bag with your name, your brand, or any other messages. This bag also comes with an extra TSA-approved loop padlock if you're wanting to lock the front laptop compartment for extra security.
So what do I think of the bag? Honestly, this was one of the most functional and high-quality bags I think I've ever trialed, and it definitely exceeds my expectations in almost every measure.
It's vastly superior to any other carry-on that I've ever owned in terms of practicality for my travels, the quality of the materials, and just its overall design. The bag is perfect for business travelers, students, vloggers, and anyone else who wants easy access to their laptop through the convenient top-open design.
Honestly, I can confidently say that this bag is going to save me precious time at airport security, just given the fact that I can access my laptop from the top and not have to, like in my current bag, kind of rifle through all my stuff and all my clothing and everything else to get to the back of the bag where the laptop sleeve is located.
This bag also glides around like no other bag I've ever used, and the quality of the wheels alone would be enough for me to buy one.
There are just so many organizational features that I absolutely love about this bag, and I cannot wait to test it out properly on one of my next trips here in a couple of weeks.
The bag is backed by a limited 2-year warranty, and it just comes highly reviewed on both Amazon.com and Amazon.ca. Also, keep in mind that this bag is exclusive to Level 8's Amazon store, so you won't find it on their website, though make sure you do check out their website as well for their wider range of other carry-on and full-size luggage to choose from.
And Level 8 has been kind enough to provide Drifter Dave viewers with 10% off anything on their website. So use the code DrifterDave10, as you can see here on the screen, get 10% off anything in their store. And if you order through my links, you are supporting my channel and helping me bring you more content from lesser known destinations that deserve to be discovered.
Overall, I felt that $139.99 USD is a very fair price for the quality of the product and its overall workmanship. Certainly you can find cheaper carry-on bags out there, especially on Amazon, but you often get what you pay for.
I would rate this bag 4.5 out of 5. I would definitely consider investing in one. Excellent quality to cost ratio. High quality at a reasonable cost. You cannot go wrong with that. And if you do decide to buy, please do use those links below. Help support my channel. It's not expected, but it surely is appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.